Ever wanted your Canva design to look more polished and cohesive with a stunning background image? Well, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set an image as your background in Canva, an essential skill that can make your presentations, social media posts, and marketing materials look truly professional. Let's get started. Begin by opening Canva and selecting your design type or setting your custom dimensions. Once your blank workspace appears, it's time to choose the perfect image for your background. You can either upload your own photo or pick one from Canva's extensive image library filled with thousands of professional visuals. If you're using your own image, click the Uploads tab from the left sidebar. Then either drag and drop your file directly into Canva or click Upload to browse your computer. Once your image appears in the upload section, simply drag it onto your design canvas. Now, here's the part that brings everything together. With your image selected, right-click on it to open a context menu. From the options shown, click Set Image as Background. Canva will automatically stretch and position the photo to perfectly fill your entire workspace. No need for manual resizing or adjustments. Canva does it for you instantly. To make your background stand out while keeping your text readable, consider a few finishing touches. First, ensure your image is high resolution, especially if you're creating something for print. Low quality photos may appear blurry or pixelated when expanded to full size. Next, think about visual balance. If your background image is too vibrant, it might overpower your text or graphics. To fix this, click on the image and select Adjust from the top toolbar. Here you can fine-tune the brightness, contrast, and transparency, or even apply a subtle filter. Lowering the transparency slightly helps your text pop while keeping the background stylish and modern. And there you have it. That's how to set an image as a background in Canva. It's quick, simple, and gives your design a polished, professional edge. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tips, and keep exploring new ways to make your design stand out. Until next time, happy designing.